Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope so be fine. Myself Jatin Dani, and today I am going to start with the new topic that what is the concentration of solution, that how we can find the concentration of solution. I would like to recall the previous lecture. In the previous lecture, you have learned about the concentration of the solution. That what is concentration of solution and on what factors it depends. The concentration will depend upon the temperature where we are considering volume. Let us suppose we want to find the concentration of a solution, and the solution, to find the concentration of solution we are using the formula related with the volume. Volume changes with temperature. At that time we will say the formula depend upon temperature. Where we are not including volume, that will be independent of what? Temperature. Now the first formula by which we can find the concentration of the solution is mass percent. Mass percent, or we can say mass by mass percent, or we can also say weight by weight percent. So these are the representation of the formulas. So what is the formula here to find the mass percent? To find the mass percent, in the numerator we will have mass of solute divided by mass of solution into 100. It can be said that instead of mass we can write weight of solute. हम लोग मास की जगह पे यहाँ पे वेट भी लिख सकते हैं, डिनोमिनेटर में वेट ऑफ सॉल्यूशन इनटू 100. तो वो भी आपको क्या फाइंड आउट करेगा, दैट वेट परसेंट हो जाएगा. मास परसेंट में हम मास को यूज कर लेंगे. सो दिस इज द फॉर्मूला बाय व्हिच वी कैन find the mass percent of the solution. Now there is to understand the formula in more detail we have to solve a numerical related to the formula. So write down the statement. The statement is a solution is prepared by adding 2 gram of substance A in 100 gram of water. Sorry, 18 gram of water, not 100, 18 gram of water. Calculate the mass percent of solute. So this is the numerical. In this numerical you have to apply the formula that we have done, that is related with the mass percent is equal to what? Mass of solute divided by mass of solution into 100. Now just read out the numerical, you will come to know that which one is solute, which one is solution. सॉल्यूट को जानने के लिए आपको इसका जो पहले वाला लेक्चर है वो पढ़ना पड़ेगा. सॉल्यूट मैंने बताया था which is in a less quantity, solvent which is in a more quantity. When we are mix solute and solvent, then they will going to form what? Solution in the denominator. Now just read it out. A solution is prepared by adding 2 gram of substance A. Substance A is how much? 2 gram. Mass of solute, that means we have come to know about the mass of solute. Mass of solute is 2 gram given in the numerical. Now next one, it is dissolved in 18 gram of water. 18 gram of water. 2 gram dissolved in 18 gram of water. That means mass of solvent is 18 gram. Solution mass will be equal to solute plus solvent, that is 2 plus 8 will be equal to what? 20 gram. 2 plus 8 is equal to what? 20 gram. From there we have find the mass of what? Mass of solution. We have find the mass of solution. We are having mass of solute. Now put both the values, mass of solution and mass of solute, in the formula to find what? Mass percent of solute. Here we have a solute. How much solute is here? 2 gram. How much solution is here? We have found 20 multiplied by 100. Now zeros are cancelled. Then 1, then 5. That is your 10%. So this is what? That is the mass percent of solute. So mass percent of solute. By this formula we can find the what? Mass percent of a solute. Now we will proceed towards the next formula. Before we are proceeding, please note down the numerical solution of the numerical. Please note it down. So the next we are having next term is to find the molarity of solution. Okay, so let's start with the molarity of solution. No issue. One type is left. We will do after molarity. What is molarity of solution? +1 में आप लोगों ने पढ़ा था molarity. That what is molarity? Molarity is what? It is defined as number of moles divided by volume of solution in liters. What is molarity? Molarity of solution defined as the number of moles divided by volume of solution in liters. So by applying this formula we can find the molarity of solution. Now the numerical are related with the formula. Please note it down, the numerical. Please note down the formula first, then we will proceed with the numerical. A solution of oxalic acid is prepared by dissolving (0.63 gram) of the acid in 250 centimeter cube of solution. So this is the numerical. You have to find what? Calculate its molarity. You have to find what? Molarity of the solution. So apply the formula that we have done. That what is molarity? What is the formula of molarity? Molarity is equal to what? Number of moles. Small n represents by number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liters. Now we can also write in a short form, that is N upon VL. N means number of moles, VL means volume of solution in liters. Now firstly we have to find what? N. N is what? Number of moles. To find the number of moles we have a formula. Small m by capital M. Small n by capital M. Small n represents what? A given mass. What is the given mass in the question? 0.63 divided by the molar mass of oxalic acid. This is oxalic acid. What is the formula of oxalic acid? COOH twice dot 2H2O. This is the formula of oxalic acid. From there you can find the mass of oxalic acid. Here we have 18, 36. Then we have 12, 12, 16. Then 12, 16, 16, 32. Then 1. Then 32. Then 12. 5. Then 45. 45 to 90. Your answer will be 126. This is the mass or the mass of oxalic acid, 126. Now find the number of moles of the solution. Just remove this point and 100 will be in the denominator. 1 and then we are having 2 here. The number of moles will be 1 by 200. 1 by 200. Now next, what we are having here, number of moles we have calculated. We have to calculate what? Volume. Volume. Here, see the volume is given or not? Yes, the volume is given 2 centimeter. Volume of solution is given 2 centimeter cube. 2 centimeter cube is given, but we want that solution must be in a liter. Then how we can convert that centimeter cube in a liter? By dividing it by 1000. 1000 से divide कर देंगे. Then we are having 5. Then we are having what? 20. Then 1. Then 4. It will be 1 by 4. So volume is 1 by 4 liter, and number of moles you have calculated what? 1 by 100. Now what we are going to do? We are going to apply the formula of molarity. Molarity will be equal to number of moles. Number of moles we have calculated 1 by 200 divided by 1 by 4. 4 by 200, then 200. Your answer after dividing them is 0.02 mole per liter. So by this we can find the molarity of the given solution. So please note it down, the whole solution of the numerical. Next, the first numerical that we have done is related with the mass percent. Now, in which we are including the formula mass by mass. Now, let us suppose the mass by mass is also there. Mass by mass percent formula is there. We have to apply the formula in the next numerical, mass by mass percent formula. The numerical is what? The HCl present is 38% by mass, and density is given. Density is equal to 1.19 gram per centimeter cube. So from this numerical you have to find the mass percent. That is mass percent of what? Solute. Mass percent of solute you have to calculate. Just use your brain that how you will find the mass percent of solute. To find the mass percent of solute, firstly remember the formula please. Mass of solute divided by mass of solution into what? 100. So here axial is what? 38%. That means solute 38% biomass. So let us consider solute is equal to 38 gram and whole solution will be 100 gram, and if the solute is 38, solution will be 100 gram. Solvent in which HCl is dissolved, 100 minus 38, then it will be 62 grams, that is solvent. But we do not require the solvent. We just require one thing. What is that? Mass percent of solute. Mass percent of solute we have to find. For that, what we are going to do, here the mass of the solute is given. What is mass of solute? 38. And what is the mass of solution? Solution is 100 grams. And what we are going to do here, into 100. Now this is what 100 cancel with the 100. 38% again same. But let us suppose there is some change in the numerical. What is that change? The numerical is saying that axial pressure is 38% by mass and density is 1.19 gram per centimeter cube. Then he said find the molarity. Then how you can find the molarity of solution? Then how you will find? For that purpose, again the formula, number of moles divided by volume of solution in liters. In liters. Okay? In liters. This is density, remember. Now we have to find what? Moles. Moles of what? Solute. That means we have to calculate here n, small n. How we can find small n here? The same formula, small m by capital M. What is the value of small m given mass? Here the axial is present 38. So let us say axial is equal to 38 grams by mass. And what will be its, this is your small m. Small m is here 38 gram. If we talk about capital M, molar mass, axial will be 1 plus chlorine is 30, 5.5, it will be 36.5. 36.5, 38. Now put both the values here. 38 divided by 36.5. From here you have calculate what? The number of moles. Moles किस चीज के? Solute के. Then next what we have to find? Volume of solution. Volume of solution. So what about the solution? Solution. Here just listen carefully. In this numerical solution को find करना है तो solute 38, solvent कितना होगा? 38%. तो solution तो overall है कितना हो जाएगा? 100 grams हो जाएगा हमारे पास. This is the mass of solution. 100 gram. Mass of solution what? 100 gram. Because here solute is given 38% by mass. So mass of solution is what? 100 gram. And density is given. Density of solution is given. What is density? Density is 1.19 gram per centimeter cube. Now from here we can find the volume, because we know the formula density is equal to mass by volume, and volume is equal to mass by density. What is mass? 100. What is density? 1.19. Remember students, here the density is in centimeter cube. Density is centimeter cube. When it will go toward here, the centimeter will be in numerator. The volume, here we have a 100 gram, gram and gram cancel. Volume will be in what? Centimeter cube. तो वॉल्यूम को हमें किस में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा? लीटर में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. Then how we can convert it? 100 by 1.19 divided by 1000. Two zeros cancel. Here the volume will be 1. Now you can take this 100 in numerator, cancel this 0 with this 0. Only 10 is left. 119. This is volume. Volume in liters. This is what? Volume in liters. So here we have find the volume, that is in liter. Here we have find the moles. Now we have to find what? Molarity. Molarity can be find from the formula number of moles. Here the formula number of moles of what? Solute. Here the number of moles 38 divided by 36.5. Then in the denominator it will be 10 by 119. You can take the reciprocal. When you take the reciprocal, it will be 38 by 36.5. 119 divided by 10. And the molarity of the given solution that we are having, answer is 2.38 moles per liter. So from here we have find what? Molarity of the given solution, in which the percentage, mass percentage is given, density is given. We have applied the formula of molarity, that is number of moles divided by volume of solution. The volume we have calculated from the mass of solution, because in the question it is given the mass of HCl is 38% biomass. 38% biomass, we have considered 38 grams. Molar mass we have calculated, we have put the values to find the number of moles. दोनों को हमने यहाँ से उठा के नंबर ऑफ मोल्स को फाइंड आउट करने के लिए यहाँ पे पुट कर दिए. तो नंबर ऑफ मोल्स पहले हमने कैलकुलेट कर दिए, इसको साइड पे रख दिया. तो सेकंड हमने फर्स्ट कर लिया नंबर ऑफ मोल्स. सेकंड हमारा काम क्या था? वॉल्यूम फाइंड करना था. किस चीज का वॉल्यूम फाइंड करना है? सॉल्यूशन का वॉल्यूम हमने फाइंड करना है. तो यहाँ पे हमने वॉल्यूम को कैसे फाइंड किया? मास ऑफ सॉल्यूशन को कंसीडर कर लिया. मास ऑफ सॉल्यूशन को कितना कंसीडर कर लिया? 100 ग्राम, बिकॉज़ सॉल्यूट 38 बाय मास है, तो सॉल्यूशन कितना हो जाएगा? फिर 100 ग्राम हो जाएगा. तो यहाँ पे 100 ग्राम क्या है हमारे पास? सॉल्यूशन है. तो डेंसिटी कितनी है हमारे पास? 1.19 है. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे हमने मास एंड डेंसिटी आर गिवन, तो हमने एक रिलेशन यूज किया वॉल्यूम वाला, दैट डेंसिटी इज इक्वल टू मास बाय वॉल्यूम, वॉल्यूम इज इक्वल टू मास बाय डेंसिटी. मैंने क्या फाइंड कर दिया? वॉल्यूम, ग्राम ग्राम कैंसिल. सेंटीमीटर क्यूब वी हैव कन्वर्टेड इनटू व्हाट? लीटर बाय डिवाइडिंग इट बाय 1000. हियर द वॉल्यूम हमने अलग से कैलकुलेट कर दिया, नंबर ऑफ मोल्स अलग से कैलकुलेट. आफ्टर दैट मैंने मोलारिटी के फॉर्मूला में दोनों की वैल्यूज को क्या कर दिया? पुट कर दिया. देन वी हैव आंसर 12.38. So this is what about the molarity of the given solution. Thank you.